What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to share your location in Google Maps. The steps to follow will work for both Android and iOS devices. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, find and select Location Sharing. Next, tap on Share Location to begin the process. On the screen, you will see a message saying Share your real-time location, along with your current location details. You can now choose how long you want to share your location. By default, it's set to 1 hour, but you can increase or decrease the duration based on your preference. Below that, tap on More Options and you will see different apps for sharing your location. You can send it via messages, WhatsApp or other apps depending on what's installed on your phone. If you tap on Messages, for example, you will see a list of your contacts. Simply choose the person you want to share your location with, and Google Maps will generate a link that they can click on to see your current location in real time. Just keep in mind that whoever receives the link will be able to track your location for the duration you set, so always be cautious when sharing it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.